Today we're going to experience the epitome of urban English life. We're going to an allotment, a genuine English allotment. I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. Hey, this is Maximo. Welcome to Maximo's Travels, a vlog for the mature and discerning traveller. Well, today I have gone the extra mile and I'm here on an allotment in Hertfordshire. This is a very unusual place, certainly something that we don't see in Australia. But let's have a look, shall we? This is council-owned land in the middle of a housing estate in Hertfordshire on the outskirts of London. So all these plots are leased by the local inhabitants. You can see all the houses in the distance, and basically people come here and grow flowers or vegetables. Some people have hot houses and just spend time communing with nature, I guess. It's really an unusual place. It's something that we don't really see in Australia. Apparently it costs £25 per year to rent one of these allotments, which is pretty damn cheap if you ask me. I think the only stipulation is that at least 60% of the allotment needs to be well tended and catered for, and not sort of allowed to go to weed like some of the allotments appear to be. But very interesting. It's quite a big area right in the middle of suburban Hertfordshire. So you might think this is an unusual place to be, but this is the first place we visit after a very long trip, over 24-hour trip from Melbourne to London. And it's quite nice here, nice and peaceful and tranquil, and it's just an opportunity to stretch the legs and commune with nature, I guess, on a quite overcast summer's day here in the outskirts of London. My goodness, that's a big carrot.
Looks good. Perfectly formed.
Absolutely. Good, isn't it?
It's going to be some good eating.
I'll take them there.
I guess that's spoiling the tranquility somewhat.
Absolutely, yeah. Well, obviously I didn't know that was going to be happening today.
There's 3 or 4 big red juicy ones.
Whereas now it's just maintaining it really.
I'll be posting many more videos in and around London, the rest of England, before we fly out to a destination that for now will remain secret. So please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos to come in the very near future. Thanks.